welcome to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today we are going to talk about lentil waffles, or should I call it as la-ffles? Never mind, I just made that up. But yes, we are going to make some lentil waffles today. Lentils are an excellent powerhouse of proteins, vitamins, fiber, iron and much more, which makes them a true winner. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Now let's soak the mixture for 3 to 4 hours, or you can also soak it overnight. Now once the mixture is ready, let's grind it in a blender. Make sure you get a smooth, creamy consistency like this. Now let's pour the batter into a waffle maker. If you don't have one, you can simply pour it on a pan. Oh sorry, I'm super hungry. I'm going to go ahead and try these waffles. Do try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to never miss our new recipes. Also follow me on Instagram at Palatable Platter. See you next week.